Rahu transit in Aquarius on Aquarius Ascendant from May 18, 2025 to December 6, 2026. This transit represents a significant event that will affect all zodiac signs in their own way. Aquarius stands for innovation, social structure, technology's presence here will intensify the desire to break free from old systems and spaces and travel in unexplored areas. For an Aquarius Ascendant, the current Rahu transit in Aquarius will significantly impact their identity, personality, and overall life trajectory. Rahu's presence in there will bring about a period of profound transformation, with potential for increased ambition, unexpected shifts in goals, and a renewed focus on personal growth. Here's a more detailed look at the potential impacts. 1. Personal transformation. Rahu's energy can amplify an Aquarius and individuality. This transit may encourage them to embrace new ideas, pursue innovative projects, and make significant changes to their self-image. 2. Career and ambitions. The transit can lead to a heightened sense of ambition and a desire to achieve more. It may also relations with influential figures in tech-driven fields. 3. Relationships. While Rahu can enhance charisma and social connections, it can also introduce a need for independence and introspection into relationships. Aquarius ascendants may find themselves re-evaluating their bonds and seeking. 4. Financial stability and values. Rahu in Aquarius may bring a strong desire for financial security and the accumulation of wealth. However, it's important to be mindful of potential overspending or impulsive decision-making. 5. Internal guidance. This transit can leading to a clearer understanding of personal values and life goals. It's a period for personal growth and redefining long-term aspirations. 6. Challenges and opportunities. While the transit brings potential for positive change, it also comes with the possibility of sudden shift. A willingness to embrace change are crucial for navigating this period successfully. 7. Specific areas of impact. A. Digital entrepreneurship. The transit can be particularly beneficial for those involved in digital ventures, social media, or online communities. B. May find themselves drawn to technological projects or careers, leading to opportunities for innovation and growth. C. Social networks. This period can be excellent for expanding social circles and forging new alliances with like-minded individuals. D. Health. As Rahu can bring well-being and make sure to address any concerns promptly. Key takeaways: embrace change, be open to new experiences, unconventional ideas, and unexpected shifts in your life's trajectory. Prioritize relationships. While independence is valued, focus on fostering harmony. Stay grounded, be mindful of potential overspending or impulsive decisions and seek balance in your personal and professional life. Seek guidance. Consider consulting with a qualified astrologer or seeking support from trusted individuals to navigate this transit effectively. In essence, it promises a period of significant transformation and personal growth, with the potential for both challenges and opportunities. By embracing change, prioritizing relationships, and staying grounded, Aquarius ascendants can harness the power of this transit to create a more fulfilling and meaningful life. Overall impact. In Vedic astrology, the conjunction of Rahu, the north node of the moon, with Aquarius Kumbh signifies a blend of independence, progressive thinking, and a focus on humanitarian ideals. Aquarius is ruled by Saturn and Rahu, and this combination enhances the sign intellectually sharp. Elaboration. A. Aquarius Kumbh and Rahu. Aquarius, known for its forward-thinking nature and humanitarian spirit, is deeply influenced by Rahu's energy, which emphasizes a desire for change and a focus on the future. B. Often associated with illusions and sudden shifts, adds an element of unpredictability and a drive for unconventional paths in Aquarius. C. Conjunctions impact. When Rahu and Aquarius are in conjunction, it can lead to a heightened sense of social awareness, a desire to make intellectual pursuits and spiritual exploration. D. Potential challenges. The combination can also present challenges, such as a tendency towards unrealistic expectations or a need to constantly seek new experiences. E. Strengths. Creative and possess a strong sense of justice and fairness, driving them to make a positive impact on society. Rahu Transit 2025. In Vedic astrology, Rahu is considered or referred as illusionary or a mysterious planet. It is considered a demon in religious scriptures. Rahu is considered a cruel and malefic planet, which is why just hearing its name makes people anxious. In astrology, Rahu is known as a planet that delivers unexpected results. According to beliefs, understanding the true nature of this planet is extremely difficult. Visions, desires, and sudden shifts, enters the futuristic sign of Aquarius on May 18, 2025. According to religious traditions, the head of the demon Swarbhanu was severed by Lord Vishnu's Mohini incarnation with his Sudarshan chakra, but after sipping the nectar, its head and torso as Rahu, and the torso as Ketu. There is also a strong belief that in the age of Kali Yuga, Rahu is the only planet capable of changing a person's destiny overnight. Compared to other yugas, Rahu is believed to be particularly powerful and influential in Kali Yuga. If Rahu is strong, then it also brings success in speculative activities. It can also lead a person down the path of acquiring knowledge in a favorable situation. However, we need to be very careful as this positivity would be limited to a very few people. The present day is one of information in this area. It's very important we consult an astrologer, as any conjunctions or placements of other placements with Lord Rahu can alter its positive very easily. On the negative of one hand, harsh speech, gambling, theft, immoral deeds, and skin disease as favorable influence, a person may attain all kinds of material comforts, fame, luxury, success in administrative roles, political and diplomatic achievements, and even good health. Individuals whose birth charts show an afflicted or negatively placed Mercury often face. Rahu is considered exalted in Gemini and debilitated in Sagittarius. Among the 27 nakshatras, Rahu rules over Svati, Shatabhisha, and Ardra nakshatras. When it comes to planetary relationships, Rahu is considered a friend of Mercury. Venus and Moon are seen as its greatest enemies. Due to this enmity, Rahu periodically causes eclipses to these two celestial bodies. Rahu has a neutral relationship with Mars and Jupiter. Rahu is known for causing sudden changes and challenges in Vedic astrology. To honesty, addiction to material pleasures, and toxic associations. Emphasizing honesty, balance, and positivity can help mitigate Rahu's disruptive energy and maintain a peaceful existence. Symptoms of bad Rahu in a horoscope. Laziness. Tips to prevent laziness. Hurdles at work. Sudden losses. Relocation away from home. Health issues. Confused mind. Overthinking. Which body part affects Rahu? The mysterious Rahu and Ketu are associated with the head and lower limbs, respectively. Anxious thoughts and spiritual energy, adding an ethereal touch to their physical connections. Does Rahu cause overthinking, mental unrest and anxiety? Rahu's influence can create mental restlessness, anxiety, and a constant need for stimulation. Individuals may find it challenging to calm their minds and to astrology. Rahu matures at age 42 and can give good results if it's placed in certain houses of a birth chart. Rahu's influence can be intense during the 18-year Rahu Mahadasha period. Rahu in the 7th house can bring happiness, prosperity, and growth to a business. When Rahu can give bad results when ill-placed or placed along with other malefic planets or its enemies. Rahu can also bring bad luck, misfortune, greed, dissatisfaction, illusion, and delusion. Rahu can adversely influence a person's life if it's ill-placed. Wearing Gom gemstones, feeding black dogs or crows on Saturdays, donating items dear to Rahu, and practicing meditation. Lord Shiva is said to control Rahu in Vedic astrology. Shiva is the lord of the serpents, and rules over Rahu and Ketu, the two lunar nodes of Lord Shiva, so Lord Shiva has a special influence on both of them. How can Shiva help with Rahu's negative effects? Bathing the Shivlinga with milk, Ganga Jal, yogurt, honey, and ghee can help relieve the effects of Rahu Dasa. Chanting the Maha Mrityunjaya, praying to Lord Shiva on Shivaratri can help. What is Rahu? Rahu is a shadow planet that indicates secrecy, profundity, and the abyss. Rahu's negative astral energies can disturb the mind and make people psychically vulnerable. What is the role of Durga in Rahu? The great goddess Durga, the divine mother in her protective and saving role. She is also called Tara or the Saviora.